Kia Silverbrook, born in 1958 in Australia, is an eminent inventor and scientist. With in 2022 an astounding 4,747 U.S. utility patents and 9,874 international patents, marking him as a top global inventor. Starting in 1977 at Fairlight Instruments, he innovated the Fairlight CVI video effects computer by 1984. In 1985, Silverbrook founded Integrated Arts, focusing on parallel processing and graphics, leading it until 1990. The year 1990 marked a significant turning point in Silverbrook's career when he became the executive director of Canon's Australian research wing, CISRA, until 1994. Between 2008 and 2017, Silverbrook was widely recognized as the world's most prolific inventor based on issued utility patents. He surpassed Japanese inventor Shunpei Yamazaki in U.S. utility patents on February 26, 2008. However, in 2017, Yamazaki reclaimed the lead. To manage and register his numerous ideas, Silverbrook established Priority Matters, a company solely dedicated to filing his patents. He is the founder and CEO of NetPage, a company whose technology, initially patented by Silverbrook Research in 1999, gained recognition when it launched in Esquire magazine. He is also the founder and chairman of Australian company Genesis, which is developing KeyLab, a groundbreaking medical diagnostic device that analyzes multiple diseases from DNA using a standard smartphone. In 1994, he co-founded Silverbrook Research, which has developed groundbreaking technologies such as the memjet printer technology and the hyperlabel alternative to RFID. In 2011, Silverbrook founded Superlattice Solar, a thin-film solar photovoltaic company. Apart from his entrepreneurial ventures, Silverbrook has made significant contributions to scientific literature. He is a co-author of several papers in prestigious journals such as the Journal of Chemical Physics, Chemical Physics Letters, and the Journal of Physical Chemistry B. His inventions and patents have revolutionized various industries, ranging from computer graphics and digital printing to molecular electronics and photovoltaic solar cells. His relentless pursuit of innovation has earned him the reputation of being one of the most renowned inventors of our time. That was a glimpse into Kia Silverbrook's life. Comment to suggest new story. Like and follow for more.